Hello. Welcome to my stream number 114. Let me double check. 114. Yeah, we have some sound, so it's good. Today I'm again with my mobile setup, which is not so bad actually. The only thing that my computer is slightly different today than that we used before. And what does it do? One simple thing: we couldn't continue the work we started on that computer. And why we couldn't continue on this? Because that computer is much less powerful. So yeah, on those computer we stopped yesterday's stream when we come on. Yeah, I'm trying to get into my channel on that computer just to start and see how is translation is going on, and couldn't do that because it say, hey, I don't recognize you, please confirm it's you. So yeah, I'm confirming. Nice. So I switched back to my stream, and now I could see that, yeah, that it's working well. So let's start. Of course, the main topic today is presidential election in United States, and not only presidential but also election to Senate. Yeah, I'm not good political speaker, and House of Representatives. So basically, today's, yeah, I'm sorry. Let me 1 second. Hello. Yeah, slightly better. Don't know what something get into my throat. So what is come on, sorry. What is sure that, yeah, it's a big win for Republicans, and they talked so much about all beautiful things, like they will make I will repeat after them, sorry. They will make America great again. They will stop wars elsewhere in the world, like including Ukraine. They will not start new wars. They will build better world order, and they make a lot of good things for Americans living in United States, making their life easier, and so on and so on. Of course, it's very ambitious. Not only because they don't want to do that, maybe they want, but because, I mean, world is changing, and something which worked before doesn't work anymore now, and a lot of things changed with that recent event. So it just reminds me again, I really want to be mistaken. I don't know what's going on. I hopefully with Trump, for sure the world is in very turbulent mode right now, and under the Trump, United States will go through very challenging times as the other parts of the world. The world is changing and changing rapidly, and it's not only about artificial intelligence, compute power, money over internet, and some bitcoins and all other coins. not only wars expanding all over the world, and it's not just counting Ukraine, Russia, but also it's east between Israel and Iran, and emerging multiple other conflicts. And I don't see any chance that they will not explode in nearest time. So, because war put on the most important place not peace, not wisdom, but power, but right of the strong, and so on and so on. So they try to tweak each other, etc., etc. So no, they're not like doing like they want to live in peace, and of course it will not end up in peace. And even Trump and his team they're not just young and angry guys who don't know how the politics works, and nothing bad happened actually with United States during past Trump term, but of course they probably not the most possible wise politics in the world, in the whole history of United States, and so on. Of course they can do mistakes which could lead to some other not so nice event. So congratulations to Trump, and let's see how it all goes. Anyway, I don't think anything bad will happen near time soon. If he can stop war in Ukraine, I would be just happy, because stopping the war means stop killing the people. Stop killing the people means preserving families, preserving some happiness, preserving happy smiles of kids, of women and men that could have some future, not just death, but live together and raise kids and be happy in some very simple and usual moments of life. And I really want that with all my heart. But I understand that it's sounds very nice, but it's so complex to do, because there is so much anger now in people's heart, and they're not ready to stop doing harm to each other. Even on that example of Russian-Ukrainian war, when people are just very similar in culture, religion, and everything else, even in languages. Whoever talk you something else, it's very similar, and I can find multiple proofs from current president when he talks in Russian and says that we are the same people. We have this, why we should speak different languages if we need to understand each other very clearly, and we shouldn't fight, and so on and so on. It was before the war, of course. And I don't say that Russia did any good with all these things it does during those events, but yeah. Okay, give me 1 second. Looks like I lost something. Let me see if it will return. If it will return it, we could continue. Interesting. It looks, oh, now it's working. It looks like it's some lack of power in my setup, because I have monitor, which some additional small monitor like that. Hello, which actually requires some power to work, and it's start switching off and say, oh, I don't want to switch on. So yeah, it was all about elections. and they probably really one of the most important election of past years. And for this Trump term, of course, he will have so much power in his hands because all that Senate, House of Representatives, and President all under Republicans. And of course, all of them are people. And if someone thinks that there is no corruption in United States, they're completely wrong. And if it's like you don't buy people, you could buy the people everywhere. People are all the same. All they love money, power, and so on, and they do everything to have that. So let's hope that at least some of the most powerful people stop playing those small games of taking money and power, but trying to do some change to the world. So I couldn't say I'm too optimistic, but at least realistic. And of course, we have bigger chance that something good will happen, but also we have a bigger chance that something worse could happen. So we have bigger chance that something will change. It is a way, you know. Okay. So what we are going to do today with any code exercise like we normally do. It's a good question. Basically, during yesterday, I was left my computer for several hours, and it's installed. It's actually completed building of PyTorch. And when I executed the very simple program which we wrote before, like if PyTorch is support CUDA and CUDA version from PyTorch, it's returned the true and CUDA version, which is in my case 12.6. So at least it's work. I haven't checked if it do any speed up on Whisper transcribing on any other models, but yeah, it's promising. So last time we noticed that that we have new options in Whisper, and those options allow us to, so it's some playground. Let's go to docs. It's allow us to return word level granularity from Whisper, which allow us from other side to create cool captions for our short videos. Ideas from our streams or from other videos, it all would be possible. So I think we could build something simple even with current code which we have, which is only one simple script. One simple Python script with just using some well-known libraries to download any video from YouTube, transform it to OGG audio stream, so it could be very long in time, very small in size, transcribe it with Whisper model, and execute our prompts which we created before, to create beautiful title ideas, transcriptions, and description of the stream. We created nice prompt to do chapters, video chapters, and I believe that's it. Yes. So let's see what we have here some models. Let's go to Whisper. There is no difference between open source Whisper through our API. So let's go to our API. They said that it's supported, but also OGG is supported, which is very cool. And if we go to the quick start and API reference, probably API reference I don't like. It's so we have that create transcript, and we have default word timestamps and segment timestamps. And word timestamps is interesting because it's create timestamps for each model or for each word. So, and if we will use ZSync response format timestamps granularities, it will be support only verbose JSON. What I want to do, I want to go to our beautiful AI helper code. Yeah, I'm trying to keep it big so it's visible on the screen. Sorry if it's still not too big. So, and we have our code to get transcribe audio files, transcribe chunk, and here we just say transcribe with Whisper API, and here we use some profanity filter. Whisper config items params key. So what we could do, probably we just could use params and set word timestamp granularities equals, and it would be what? It would be word and segment. Word segment. Should it work? Probably yes. Sending audio files to Whisper, and in that case we need to use response format params response format. In that case we need to use response format by documentation as verbose JSON. And it will return verbose transcription object with everything is everything. Temperature. File model prompt is also nice, but we don't have prompt response format max alternatives. Okay, looks good. So, and response format would be something from params, yes. Yeah, let's use that sync, and let's remove that because it's not anymore true. Let's copy that transcription with Whisper API, and let's go to our chat GPT. Probably for or is good. We could use search in who is winner. Let's see. I may not have the latest updates. I said search, okay. Okay, please search and tell who is 47th President of United States. He's okay. As of November 6, is projected to win. Okay, so it's still not officially declared, but Donald Trump wins. It says by Sun, New York Post, The Times. Okay, so probably it's official now. Yes. Okay. Hi, I have a Python function to transcribe audio file with whisper model. It changed it to variables JSON and want to return two types of result SRT based on SRT format based on sequence and SRT format based on words. I forgot to insert my that is my current function. We can modify. So okay, let me see. We can modify your existing function as follows. Okay, word segment, generate segment based SRT, utilize the segments from the transcript to create an SRT. Okay, what is the code? OpenAI exist, sys probably exist, daytime I think exist, transcribe with whisper API, params. Oh, whoa. Come on, what do you do? Word. Will it return segments as well if it does the word? Temperature. Create translation. Optional, default to segments. The timestamp granular to populate for these transcriptions. Response format must be verb with JSON. Okay. Either or both of these options are supported. I think both options we need both options. Okay, file params, transcription response, segment, generate segment SRT, transcription segments, word SRT. First of all, let's try to talk to it. I want it's acceptable to have those values. Secondly, words and segments are top level list returned in the response. Do we have example? Words or segments? This example. Okay, words, and just click to segments and try to copy segments. Okay, it generates 2 responses now because I sent it too fast. Okay. I mean, it's the same code, it's the same text, correct? Params, transcription, response, generate segments, SRT, transcription segments, word SRT, generate word SRT. And what is the change here? Segments SRT. No, functions are very close. Maybe it makes sense to make them even better. I mean, not copy paste a lot of code, but I really don't want to do that. It's still not the final code, it's kind of example code, so let's keep it as is. And let's go back and yeah, so what we do, like, oh, it's more code here, really? Word info. Oh, no. It's it's better because it supports what I'm sorry, what I said to that model before. So, and we could use try, except here, go here and use try, except, and we return segments SRT, word SRT. Now you are happy? Okay. So with that we need to change where it's executed from. Transcripts. Let's call a segments SRT. Yes. SRT content adjust. Of word content transcripts word SRT transcripts. Better. And we also adjust them because if we have multiple chunks it's very unlikely, but if in some case we would have, then just adjust word subtitles. And let's return both word SRT and adjusted word subtitles. Okay, transcribe chunk features executor submit. Features result. And what we have in the result? Oh, probably we need to look here. SRT, word SRT. Let's go back. Transcripts SRT. Word SRT. Word SRT. Extend result. So we just repeating what we've done before, just to preserve our word SRT as well. Let's do the same for let's do everything the same for word SRT, subtitle index equals in. For transcript word SRT would be oh, it's not plus, it's actually our function. Transcript file temp word SRT. We will not do cleanup for that, so we just remove temp here, and we just say word SRT, transcript word SRT, and we also want to preserve it. So with that file and we preserve that thing. So at that moment we will stop with that and we'll check how it will work. Ooh. So we have full process. We don't need full process, we just need try to generate transcripts once again. So AI helper, yeah, let me look at the compute. What we have here, it's our YouTube helper, and we have videos. We have a lot of videos. Let's use that. It's at least not as long. Oh yeah, I put 1000 Christmas lights at Mr. Beast video. Yeah, do you remember? And we just say transcribe. Let's check. It will be, yeah, transcribe, and that word record. And it couldn't do that because our word record doesn't have OGG file. Now we look for OGG file. So let's do you remember that word record? Or let's just take another Mr. Beast video maybe. So let's search for Mr. Beast video. How long he did that? 17 minutes, 20 minutes, 35. No. Do we have something smaller? 15. the FBI got involved 1 day ago. Oh, it's not Mr. Beast actually. 20 to 16 minutes, 10 minutes, but it's India today. Okay, you know what? That's in one with 10 million job. So we'll just take those video and we'll do step by step. Okay, so now we just say that we don't want, maybe let's try it full process. Will it work? Let's try full process, and that link of that video. Yeah, looks like everything jumpy on my computer, and looks like I need more powerful power source. So let's see, it's downloaded. So it's downloaded very quickly, 100%, just in one second. Then we converted it into OGG, and then it say, hey, you tried to access OpenAI audio. Oh no, oh no, oh no, really? We transcribe with Whisper API. Oh yes, audio transcribe. Oh no. It's not something I want to do. So it show our previous thing to execute. No. We sent our program before. Here. Response, because that model, even I said, hey, just use the most recent, etc. I click search in GPT. Yeah, here I click search. It's mean search and then respond to me. It's still use very old version, like not very old, several months old version of SDK. And again, I sent him my current program and it still replace it. So not good, not good. Let's try to do the same thing. I know that we will download video once again and yeah, override now, and we'll create OGG file from that again, even if it's not too it's 70 watt. My computer took maximum 64 and it's hot like crazy. I need to take different thing. Okay, got multiple values for keyword argument response format. Got multiple values. Error transcribing audio file. Multiple values for keyword argument response format. Oh, really? So, where is our response format? Verbose JSON params. Probably we could remove it. Yes. Is it that error that we pass it in params and once again in response format? Probably yes. Yeah, the same one. I know that we probably could continue without downloading it, but yeah, I still want to see if we did so many errors, but could we execute it in one go, everything? I really like, I feel satisfied when it could execute in one go, downloading, compressing the audio, transcribing. Okay, now at least it's agreed to send it to Whisper. And now comes the most interesting part. Will it be able to preserve it nicely and save in our files the transcribed version? Then we will execute our standard prompts and we will try to create new prompts. Oh, actually, I just noticed that I'm not moving at all. Oh, now I'm moving. The time became too dark. One second. I'm just looking if I can connect it to my power bank and switch it on. No, I could. Okay. Now it's slightly better. So, error transcribing audio file. Object is not subscriptable. Okay, not subscriptable. Object is not subscriptable. Let's look at the code. Response, transcription. It means that we need to replace here like words and segments by word, but I generate word SRT. Does it mean we need to replace all of those? Start, end. Let's try. Now we will not execute that thing fully. We will use different file. But Mr. Beast doesn't work well. I mean, not Mr. Beast, it's my code, but it's always nice to say it's because of some other person, not because of my code. So we'll just do CLC. And we will do not full process, but we will say transcribe. And let's go to our folders. One with $10 million job, OGG. Do we have size? It's just less than 1 megabyte, 1.5 megabyte, and original audio size is about 15 megabytes. Still not much, but let's try send it audio file to Whisper API for transcription and see. So the moment of truth would be when it return our file, basically return response. And now response is slightly bigger than before, because before we just say return us SRT, and now we say return us whatever you can, verbose JSON, and from that verbose JSON we take in SRT ourselves. And right now we are trying to get word SRT, just to create cool captions when we know what to create. So and then we will look how to create a plugin, for example, for name. Time delta is not defined, really? Oh, why it couldn't say as before? Time delta, and it's generated on format time. Okay, so we couldn't save anything before. Okay, let's send once again. So here we don't have anything yet. Maybe date modified, and let's remove all of those. Maybe contributing artist as well. Really? 924? Does it? 924. Why it's did 924? Video file itself, probably. Where is it? Okay. It says it's 11 months ago. So right now 11/6, and 11 months ago it would be 06 or December 23 or January 24. Why it's created it's like September. I mean, it's new folder. It's created today. Why it's created that file with 924? Oh, come on. Okay, a new issue. File, hey helper, line 565, 222 future result, get result 2222, expected contiguous start of match or end of input at char 0 but started at char 88 and match content. And it's happening in parse adjust. Oh, really? So process prompts on transcript. No, we just need transcripts. So let's look zsynth, format, generate, convert, adjust, transcribe chunk, transcribe audio file. Let's ask more clever model about that. Okay, I had a code. It returns error. And let's see what its error, maybe like from here to here. Please investigate and return me questionable code with your proposal to fix. Don't return this code, just what to fix. Let it think, and see if it will think something good. Identify the problem, yeah, please. You should know about the SRT library. You, of course, preview, you don't have access to internet, but it's not internet problem. Maybe it says, okay, you do not properly execute OpenAI transcribe. But would you say it's a problem? What is it? That is interesting. The way accessing attributes of segments and wording for dictionaries return OpenAI, not objects with attributes. We should access their data using dictionary keys instead of dot. Okay, it's not true, but I hope it's just because that model is don't have access to internet, correct? Let's ask the same question here. Will it do the same? It will search some web. So please stop. Let's look. Okay, SRT parser. Nice. That SRT timestamp, but it encode that logs hours and uses a colon instead of comma for milliseconds. Good. It's better. Proposed fix. Modification. Update format time function. Modify to return timestamp in the correct format. Okay. Just generate ensure functions utilize updated format time. Okay, maybe it's just format time. I would agree with that. So we have generate format time. To look seconds. Time daytime, time delta seconds, time delta total seconds to hours, minutes, milliseconds. Yeah, looks better, looks nice. And we have, let's see, what about the functions? I+1, start, and text. And here it's the same, correct? So it should work. Let's try to transcribe it once again and see. So we are sending Mr. Beast video transcript to Whisper model. Right now on that computer we use Whisper API to do that. On my other computer I am trying to use Whisper locally. I could use Whisper locally here as well, but it will take ages to transcribe a video, because Whisper, like many other models of artificial intelligence, not true of course, but so some algorithms, they work pretty long on computers which couldn't utilize GPU. saved clean transcript here, here and here. Okay, we don't have that, but let's see. So we have multiple transcripts file. We have temporary transcript, then we have basically temporary in that case would be the final 559 1531. Then what we have else, we have transcript txt. It's basically what we get from SRT. We have transcript SRT, which is kind of cleaned, but basically it's the same as temporary, because we don't have multiple chunks, we have only one chunk. So let's keep it. LLM SRT, it's good, it's the same transcript but slightly smaller, with just beginning of the words, so it's sending it to the models. And word SRT, let's see. I'm about to work this 10 to do job. Really? Let's see how it was originally. I'm about to work this 10,000 jobs, $10,000 maybe, job as a professional athlete. 10,000 jobs, job as a professional athlete. I'm going to show you the difference between this and getting paid 200 to be an this is insane. To be an 9 seconds. Let's see full transcript. I'm going to show you difference between the to be an astronaut. 6,640 9,720 664 and 640. Yeah, getting paid 200 to be an $29.30. Interesting. Yeah, it's really cool. You see, it's each word has own timestamp, so we could define it very beautifully, very beautifully. The only thing, nuke their, I'm gonna nuke their stadium. Let's just look at the end. I'm gonna nuke their stadium. Depilation. Okay, go Jimmy. So yeah, good transcript. So let's see, let's maybe just to complete that thing, let's execute that thing. Let's say process prompts, process prompts. So we just generate our standard prompts we are already built before, and then we'll come back and try to generate prompts for generating YouTube shorts with timestamps to original video. And then we need to write some program or some additional function just to be able to generate some project, some type of project which we could use to prepare a video. Again, it would be Copilot, so we're not doing it as final video, but we generating everything, and ideally it should be readable in editable mode. So okay, let's just look very quickly how it's done with prompts. So prompts are titles. So title is, let's see, original title is this: $1 with $10 million job, and proposal of title is from $1 to 10 million, craziest job ranked, working at 10 million job with 200 job, inside differences. Okay, from 1 to 10 million dollar jobs, which one is worth it? Oh, and nice icon of dollars. I tried the word highest paying job. So you see, artificial intelligence thinking the way Mr. Beast think. So nice. In title it could replace him. It could replace him. Keywords. I think Mr. Beast NFL contract, flight simulator, flying a plane, Immortals of Avium, crazy job, first person shooter, spacesuit, professional athlete, dinosaur bones. I haven't seen that video, but I like keywords actually. Okay, let's see description for that video. So, ever wondered what it's like to be a year professional athlete, or how about digging real dinosaur bones for $100,000? In this video we dive into the most extreme and surprising jobs. Okay, some highlights. Highlights are bad, and time codes are bad. But we ready for that, yes? We're ready for that. Tom Brady, NFL, NASA, dinosaur digging, hand modeling, gold planning. And let's see better chapters. It should be better for 15 minutes video. Yes, I think it's better. But I don't like that 9 minutes, 10 minutes, but 11:20 and 13:01. So it doesn't look like NFL press conference. Let's just check very quickly. 13:01, 13. That's touchdown. The team I just joined is the same team. Tom Brady won the Super Bowl with, so I thought it'd be funny to surprise them. Oh, we got him, Tom. Oh, I almost got Team B. What's up, baby? What's up? What's up? I have a friend. I'm dead. After that, wait. Oh, really? I don't know how ChatGPT actually create chapters from that. It's just some text. It would be awful job, even if someone pay me for create chapters from that transcript, you know. But ChatGPT actually did it. Let's see. NASA astronaut training 225. Is it true? 225. Just YouTuber carried in their bone front table, and believe it or not, this is but because museum are boring, let's head over the 2100 job astronaut training with NASA. But because 225, perfect timing. Let's see, modeling with snake and scorpions 10900. Let's just check, because really we spent so much into that better chapters. Does it work? Okay, looks better because her hand doesn't snake as much. be easy, but we're actually horrible at this. It looks like watch. It's on Snake Bros. It's so hard. So it's not 900. So insured for 1 mil per hand. So, and better chapters say, oh, hand modeling with snakes. Oh, come on, join the NFL. It's really hard to read that. Just hold right there. Okay, perfect. And you 25 types magic spells to unlock Carl. You think immortal so far. I'm gonna love that photo. Love that. Just told the scary animals. And then we get to join the NFL for our final job. The people who created Immortal also helped make the award-winning campaigns of Halo. We love those campaigns. It's moving, and the cool thing is they put me in game as a boss. Oh, I think that it's ad in ad ad in video. And now it's finally time for job. 10:43. And it's 10. Actually, they talk about 10 o'clock about joining the work, but not actually join. So I mean, it still did, but not so cool. Okay, and let's go to our helper, and let's go to our configurations, probably generic prompts, and let's create maybe let's just copy paste description, and let's no, I don't want help, I want change it. Let's call it shorts idea, and let's go, it's edit with notepad. Okay, and let's go to where we work on that short idea before, and probably it would be Collab and Google dev design, project description, human engine load, and scenario. Really a lot of things. Let's reload it, and we have create helpful descriptions, it's here, and we have prompt, test with prompt. Okay, let's look at that prompt. It's one of our recent tests, SRT format. Create few highly relevant short videos ideas. Okay, you know what, let's go here to our GTPO preview. Let's create new chat. No, it's a bad idea. Let's go here and make it big. Your exceptional skills engaging from short video creators YouTube content with proven track of records, blah 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 blah. I will provide full video transcript in simplified SRT format that I need your help with. Please create a highly relevant short video ideas. Please follow the next instruction. Process short ideas into 2 categories. Let's call that without. Use exact phrases from the original video transcript. Cut that video to create a short, so please be precise. You cannot change the audio track, and there is no allowed deviation from what you have in the original transcript. Short idea and content should match the transcript, but we could pick up different parts from the original video file. For example, it could be part of the initial video, maybe not of the initial, from the beginning of the video, and then it's possible to make a screenshot from that content. And from place where topic with the topic is called full, and it's possible to make an screenshot from that content. Second category we completely remove, we don't want that. Each select up to 5 most interesting short ideas, provide its title or title variations, provide description of the short video. For how we could tell it, for 2 most interesting and engaging short ideas, please create a detailed short video scenario. This scenario should include the detailed on-screen video, voiceovers, possible music effects, titles, and any other recommendations. Also, let's say, please include the exact location of input source file timeframes. Exact timeframes every word of phrase. Okay, about the 60 seconds. Now YouTube allows us more than 60 seconds, but okay, let's leave it. Okay, let's make that one, and let's copy that and say, hi, I want to create a beautiful prompt which will generate few shorts ideas from my full video. I want to automate shorts video creation, so I need very good organized structure. Please help me create a good and reliable prompt for ChatGPT to do my task. Here is my prompt. You could use it to get my idea and help improve it. Okay, let's see what it will recommend. And it's ChatGPT preview, so it should do. Of course, they said it's for scientific research, but also I believe it should be good for things like prompt creation. The exceptional certain reviewed initial prompts and made some enhancement to improve clarity and effectiveness. We have exceptional skilled and informative short video creation. So nice, it's haven't removed. Instruction: create highly relevant, valuable. Okay, for each select short, please provide title variation, simplified description, additional details. Okay, so it's improved. Let's see if we could copy it. Okay. Let's maybe insert it here. Let's remove it here, and let's remove it here. Let's say replace all that sync with empty. Nice. And go to short idea and just replace it. Nice. And let's just regenerate our prompts. Now our prompts will include short ideas prompt, and let's see how it will execute. And then probably we could use something like, you know, so processing prompt short idea in ChatGPT. Now they have, it's not audio, it's called chat. It's probably chat completion. And now you could specify that you want a response format, and in response format you want use JSON schema, and with that you will have receive structured output. So with that structured output we could receive not just response from the ChatGPT, but we could receive something like very JSON format, which is very very well formatted. So we could use it for like SRT creation, and it would match perfectly because Whisper, for example, it's very specific model. It's for transcription. It could generate as SRT out of the box, and it doesn't support multiple formats. But LLM, like ChatGPT, is not very specific model. It's very wide model. You ask it one thing, it would respond to you another. You know. So we need reliable and explicit format. That's why we could use JSON schema, and here we could say it would be our schema, and when it will be returned we just specify response format, and you see it will respond as proper thing. Mass reasoning, step, final answer, and each step will be explanation output, and example response would looks like that. So it's something we need for our SRT format. So it looks something we could look later, but let's see what we received here with that video of Mr. Beast. And because we executed once again, we created multiple different versions of all that things, like keyword description, beta chapters. Beta chapters this time is really better, because 225 we go to NASA, and we go to NFL. We go about 1040, not 957. 957 we first time said about that, but not joined. Okay, we still on that snake and scorpions, and it was some, you know. And let's go to here. Let's see what it returned to us. Short ideas. By the way, does it support something like MD? Makefile? No, not. It's not Makefile. It's how it's called? Markdown format. I know that Visual Studios support Markdown format. If you go and say just some new file, really Markdown preview enhanced markdown all in one. So many things. Let's install something all in one, why not? And then if we click new text file, select language, markdown, okay. Let's see preview. Okay, why we couldn't close it? Okay, let's close like that. Short video ideas. Title: from 2 cents to million. Wild job journey. How I went from gold penny to NFL. Description: follow incredible journey. Second title: driving NASA lunar rover gone wrong. Second largest dinosaur bone ever dug up, and touching the moon for real. Okay, sounds great. For the shorts, sounds great. First, driving NASA lunar rover gone wrong. On-screen video details. 2:35. Start with a wide shot of lunar rover in NASA facility showing the vehicle futuristic design. Cut up close voiceover. Why titles and text? So they even provide text overlays, but voiceovers. Let's see. 2:39. Why are they letting me drive this? 2:39. Let's switch back and go to the transcripts. Where we have transcripts. We don't need Word. Probably LLM will work. 2:39. 2:39. Why are they letting me drive this? Okay. Oh, don't kill us, I'm scared. 2:36. Right now, yeah, go for it. Push forward. Whoa, don't kill us, I'm scared. Whoa, 2:37, but it says 2:36. It's pretty close. Why we are driving sideways? I haven't figured out how to straighten it yet. 3:03. Actually 3:02. But overall, voiceovers are from actual video. On screen details is not like I wanted. Another short ideas is the largest dinosaur bone I ever found. So it's specify voiceovers like they are in original video. It's nice, but not exactly I want to receive. So let's go here. Let's go to our ChatGPT preview and say, looks nice, but I want few improvements for them. Selected video. I want full video script. It should show full time script from 0 to up to 60 seconds, including texts from original video. Please show exact time frame from original video so I can easily see the whole picture. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah, it's hard to explain actually. It's probably we need to spend some time mastering even overall script for creating shorts ideas. Maybe we just need to ask one. Maybe we just need to ask one short ideas. So, and it says create up to for each selected provide for two most interesting full video scripts. Provide full scripts of short video starting from music explorer. These shorts should use the most from my original video, including video and of course audio track. So we could add only some effects, some icons, maybe some short video inserts, which are highly recommended from an engaging point of view. Should you help craft even better prompt, and maybe we can leave only two short ideas, but with a beautiful script, beautiful and full script for each. Of course, those two shorts should be the best of the best. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretending that he's thinking. It's pretending that he's thinking. So let's go and try to update the short ideas. We remove explanation, we believe, and we remove initial prompt details, and we replace like that. So something like that. Let's try to execute that prompt once again on Mr. Beast video, and maybe then we just could execute it on one of my stream just to check how it will work. Okay, short idea number 2. Where are you? It's 333. It's 2. It's still working on it, yes, because we have only one short idea. And okay, it's preserved short idea number 2. Let's go. Where are you? Here. So let's open it here. Let's open in Visual Studio, just because it's it will do it's better. Short idea: gold planning struggles after 5 hours, 2 cents, full video. Starting with the lowest paying job I could find, gold planning that made as little as $1 a year, but we're going to make millions. Statistically not. Basically gold planners put dirt in the mechanism, and with enough shaking and water all of the gold is filtered out to the bottom, but it's not very easy. On-screen video details show white shot of narrator at a river ready to start gold panning, and text overlay gold panning 1 a year. Close up, show a medium shot of gold panning mechanism. Possible music effects. Spoiler, no. Bottom of the screen, center of the screen. Okay, it's pretty cool, but we have lack of details about original video, but we took that originally, correct? Top of the screen. So, and that is astronaut training with NASA. So of course it looks like from video. So if you go to transcript and search, find next, astronaut training with NASA and my first mission, learn to drive official lunar rover that what will one day be on the moon. So you see it's pretty good. Oh my god, there are cars. Let's see if it exists here. Yeah, is the street legal? So, basically it's shown 230, 235, 256, 257, 30. So it shows all that original video times, but it's like 30 seconds. Yeah, but it doesn't show the current video time. Yeah, maybe we don't need it. It's easy to calculate, of course. Let's try this prompt with some bigger thing. Let's go here and see what we have else in videos and check it, and tomorrow. So let's see 107. What is about? Keyword description, better chapters. Let's see what we discuss in here. Wife with host, coding, current project, helping with issues with YouTube, using Whisper, testing, conclusion, sign off. 107. Let's try. There are not much about some politics or what I like, but let's see how it will. With short ideas, it says it could generate. I just need to put double quotes here. So it's already have LLM SRT, which we use for prompts, and just TXT, which we are using also for prompts. Let's see if it will do any good. And we need to make prompts. Execute them in multi-thread. So execute them faster. We don't need to wait previous prompt finished before we could start new prompt, correct? We have some request per minute limit, but we never hit it with that number of prompts, I hope. Okay, we have short ideas prompt, Let's open it. Let's review in Visual Studio. Okay, why you should be grateful for the little things. 1407. Please accept the stream and my words as some sign of universe and just start valuing the things you have. If you have everything, just be grateful for those. Please, please don't take all you have as granted. You could think about anything, your ability to see. Not everyone has that. Let's see, 1501. Do I really said that in 1501? Most probably yes. 1556. So it's about 2 minutes, you see. Opening. Okay, that details it's not possible because we will use stream. Soft emotional piano track. Nice. And here, don't take you have half of the work and eat as much. Be grateful for the little things. Actually, it's nice. How I can help YouTube create saves time. Right now we are doing some projects and instead and yeah, cut off comedic effect. Use a bit catchy background music. Okay, let's just check if it's really what I told. And for that we just go here and see our original transcript. Let's use LLM SRT, it's simpler to work with. And let's look in our Visual Studio Code. 1501. 1501. You could think about anything, ability to see. You want as much as you want. Couldn't eat as much. I live in a cozy home with hot and cold water, electricity one. So looks good, looks good. Actually it looks good. So with that it's possible to process. We just need to think how. But yeah, we have the transcript. We have original transcript and we have original words. We could see we just have that 1407. Please accept. So 1407. Please accept that stream and my words. Please accept the stream and my words as some sign of universe. So we just need to write some code which will find those word combination in words txt, in word SRT, and we'll have clear timeline where we should cut our initial video. And when we cut our initial video and use this word for final SRT and use this word for create the captions, yeah, it could work. Okay, nice work. So what we will do now, probably not much. We just go here and see what we already work with. We create short idea SRT, which is cool file. We changed romantic to it's my thing, and we updated YouTube AI helper a lot. So we added word SRT and we support now preserving word SRTs as well. Of course we are not use it immediately, but for future it's really helpful. We just do one request to whisper, receive everything we need, preserve everything we can. Really cool. word level transcript and short idea prompt. I think it's work good. Let's commit and push. And now this code should be at our romantic developer AI helper, and we have that commit. Not yet, not yet. Pull. Oh, come on. Let's do pull. Okay, why not? Okay, and let's do push. I really thought that I haven't changed the code since we did it here. Maybe something changed. Let's see. Is our commit is here? Merge branch of YouTube word level ideas. Looks like yes. So in that Python implementation in AI helper, now we have that support for when we transcribe in audio files, we have that word level transcript. Cool. And also we should have in configuration in our prompts, we should have short idea SRT. Oh, probably we should remove some new lines here, but it's fine. It's still working. Okay, guys, I think that's it for today. Today we in our first part we talked slightly about politics and future, with future of this world with Trump as the leader of the United States and Republic Party as like in full control of all the system in the United States. Of course, it would impact currently highly speedy changing world. Of course, it would impact. So these guys will put a lot of lines in history of our world. But in technical parts, we looked into new configuration which allow us to ask Whisper API to return us not only SRT segments but also word segments, which we could use to create for multiple things. We have each word with its start and end time when person says that word. With that, the initial idea which came to my mind is that we could use this to create, over the video captions which are dynamic. You could just blink, you could change color and dynamically of the word which is spoken right now. So, and we could do it, and we already have it. We just need to write some script to make it available for others. As far as I understand, it's not completely free. Every tool you need to pay something, and here it could be mostly completely free. What mean mostly? If you will execute Whisper on your local machine, it will be completely free. If you will use OpenAI or anything else, it would cost you maybe a few cents to execute Whisper call. And also we start working on our script to generate short idea from our video. Once we create it very cool, we could use structured output of LLMs, of OpenAI ChatGPT LLM. It supports in most recent models structured output, and we will do some short idea in some structured output which allow us to automatically process it, and maybe with FFmpeg to divide video to some parts, and then we try to create that project for some of the video editing program. Nicely, if we could do that for Adobe Express, it supports multiple things for free. In worst case, it would be Adobe Premiere Pro, or you could recommend anything. You could recommend anything. It would be very nice of you. Okay, guys, please put some of your thoughts in comments. Say hi in comments, ask your questions in comments, and just support me somehow in comments, and maybe with some like or subscription. Other than that, I will stream here for another at least 40 days, and I hope I will stream more. Those stream series is part of my challenge to stream every day, and yeah, I'm still doing that. I'm still doing that every day despite so many factors. I become more confident in my abilities to do something every day because I have a huge skill of procrastination, laziness. But with that streams, it's helping me to start valuing me more and more and more. Even my streams not so popular right now, you see. But yeah, it's not for popularity, it's for self-awareness. And again, if you find anything helpful, write me a comment and we can look into your ideas or your questions or whatever you have. Okay, so be prepared for change and live as usual with kindness, with acceptance of the things, of all the characters of your loved ones and not so loved ones. Try to not bring anger to your soul, and just have very distant view on all the things happening around you. Very wise view, very holographic view. It will help you to not lose a lot of energy, be successful, be a person who could see the things and could help others. Elsewhere, if you just jump into the actions with all of that emotions, it's very easy to go to wrong emotions, So please share your emotions with your loved ones, good emotions, if you want. So yeah, that is my lessons of my life. Hopefully it will help you as well. Okay, guys, as always, have a good luck, have a good day, evening or morning, and have a beautiful next day. See you tomorrow or whenever you are